Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Mimimi Emote in Clash Royale. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So when you're on Clash Royale, you can check whether you're able to get the Mimi Emote. What you want to do first is go into your emote collection, then again click on Collection from the top, and then tap on this option. Here, scroll down until you see the emote you're looking for. Once you find the emote you want, simply tap on it and give it a heart. Giving the emote a heart increases the chances of it showing up in your shop. So go to your shop and check if this shows up in your store. When it appears there, you'll be able to buy it for 250 gems. As you can see, these are the emotes of the day currently available in the shop. You also have the option to get the emote by going directly to the shop and purchasing it for $5. Another way to unlock it is through a special challenge. Just head back to the home screen, complete the challenge, get the required number of wins, and you can earn the emote without spending any money. Overall, favoriting the emote and then buying it with gems is the best option if you don't want to spend $5. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Mimimi Emote in Clash Royale. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.